What's up everyone? Welcome to Yoga with Payal. I am Master Payal and today we are going to do Beginner Yoga episode 3. So let's begin. Now join your both feet together. Join your palm, spine straight, eyes closed. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we are going to start 3 times Om chanting. Take a deep inhale. 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 Breathing relaxed. Rub your both palm. Put your palm on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palm. Namaste everyone.
So we will start with the warm-up. Drop your both hand on your waist. Look up, inhale. Down, exhale. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Now put your neck on your center. Inhale. Exhale, look at on your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, another side. Inhale, center. Exhale on your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, another side. Come back, inhale on your center. Now put your both hands up. Inhale, hands straight, look up. Exhale, put your hands down. Inhale, hands up, look up, spine straight. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, put your hands up, look up. Hold the position here. Try to lift your shoulder up, spine straight, look up. Now slowly exhale, put your hands down. Now apart your feet a bit. Now we will rotate your hand in a clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come back. Put your both hands up. Inhale. Now drop your right hand on your right leg. Bend your body on your side. Exhale, look up. Stretch your body. Now come back. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, go in your another side. Stretch your body. Look up. Come back. Inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, another side. Try to stretch your side muscles. Look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, do another side. Come back, inhale, hands up. Exhale, do another side. Now go down as much as you can. Hold the position here. Stretch your side muscles. Come back, inhale. Exhale, go down. Now go down as much as you can. Look up, feel the stretch. Come back, inhale. Exhale, hands down. Now turn your body on your side. Now drop your both hand on your waist and rotate your shoulder on your back side. Now go back, arch your back as much as you can. Come back, inhale, exhale, go forward. Spine straight, look forward. Inhale, slowly go back, arch back, exhale. Now come back, inhale. Exhale, come forward, spine straight, look forward. Inhale. Exhale, arch your back, look back, arch as much as you can, hold the position. Now come back, inhale. Exhale, go forward, spine straight, look forward, knees straight, don't hunch your back. Come back, inhale. Now put your both hands up, inhale. Now drop your right hand on your right leg, arch your back as much as you can, exhale. Come back, inhale. Exhale, slowly go forward, lengthen your spine, try to touch your forehead on your left leg of your knees. Or those who are having back pain, they can look up. Come back, inhale. Now do with another side, drop your left hand on your left leg, arch your back, exhale. Come back, inhale. Now exhale, go forward on your right side. Lengthen your spine as much as you can, try to knee straight. Now inhale, come back, put your hands up. Now drop your right hand on your right leg, arch your back as much as you can, exhale. Try to look at your hand. Now come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Those who are having back pain, don't forget to look up. You have to look up. Now slowly put your hands up, inhale. Now again, drop your left hand on your left leg, exhale, arch your back, hold the position here. Now come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Those who can't able to do, they can touch your fingertips and look up. Try to chin up. Now put your hands up, inhale. Exhale, hands down. Now turn your body on your front side, apart your feet around 3 feet according to your body height. Now put your both hands up, interlock your hand and stretch your shoulder, inhale. Exhale, go forward, drop your right hand on your left leg of your ankle, try to look at your left hand. Again come back, inhale, interlock your hand, push your shoulder back, stretch your shoulder, open your chest. Exhale, go down, drop your left hand on your right leg of your ankle and then spine straight, look at your hand. Come back, inhale, interlock your hand again stretch your shoulder, try to open your shoulder and chest. Exhale, go forward, again grab your ankle. Now spine straight, try to look at your hand. Inhale, again interlock your hand, stretch your shoulder. Exhale, go down, grab your ankle, spine straight, look at your hand. Inhale, come back and then exhale, hands down. Now grab your both hand and catch your elbow. Slowly jerk your body on your front side. When you will do jerk, your spine will be straight and then your leg or thighs muscles will be open very easily. So now lengthen your spine. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Try to do 10 times and then drop your both hand. Your hand position should be 90-degree angle, your knees straight, and then go forward, lengthen your spine. Spine should be straight, don't hunch your back. Now drop your both hand, go down, drop your body down, bend your left leg, right leg should be straight, look at my position. Exhale, come back, inhale. Exhale, do it another side, look at my position, feet should be stretched. Now inhale, put your both hands up. Exhale, go down. Now bend your left leg and right leg should be straight. Those who are flexible, they can do like this easily, or those who are having knee pain, please drop your hands down and then they can do like this. Look at my position. Those who are having knee pain or beginner, they can do like this. So try to stretch your thighs muscles. Your hands should be straight. Those who are back pain, they can look up. Those who are not having back pain, they can go forward, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come back, inhale. Now put your hands up. drop your right hand on your back side of your hips, arch your back, roll your spine, exhale, try to look at your left hand. Come back, inhale, put your hands up, exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine, grab your feet, stretch your body forward. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Those who can't able to grab your feet, they can grab your toes and then you can hold the position. Now change the position. Now put your both hands up, inhale, lift your hips up a bit, exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Don't forget to stretch your feet. Your toes should be your sailing direction. Now drop your hands, arch your back, roll your spine, exhale. Try to look at your hand. Come back, drop your hips, inhale. Put your hands up, exhale, go forward, grab your feet, lengthen your spine. Your knees should be straight, don't bend your knees. Inhale, put your hands up and then come back. Slowly lift your hands up, inhale. Exhale, put your hands down, join your feet. Now turn your body on your side of your mat. Put your both hands up, inhale. Exhale, slowly go forward, lengthen your spine, drop your hand. Knee should be straight, spine straight. Now bring your left leg of your feet on your front side and right leg on your back side. Drop your right hand and left hand up. This is reverse triangle pose. Drop your both hands down. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Those who are not having back pain, they can look down, go forward, exhale, spine straight. Now apart your feet, bend your left leg of your knees. Now your heel, knees and then thighs position should be in a 90 degree. Your both heels should be in the same line. Right leg of your feet should be in a 45-degree angle. Now put your both hands up, inhale, join your palm, spine straight, try to look at your thumb, bend your left leg of your knees, exhale, go forward, drop your right leg of your knees on your mat. Now your left leg of your knees and hips should be in a 90 degree and right leg also 90 degree. Look at my position. Inhale, put your hands up, drop your right hand on your right leg of your heel, arch your back, exhale, try to touch your hands to your ears. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Go forward as much as you can, stretch your body. Don't forget, those who are having back pain, they have to look up, chin up, chest up, or those who are beginner, they can do like this. Now drop your right hand. Now grab your ankle with your right hand and left hand should be straight. Look at your left hand, exhale. Come back, inhale. Drop your hips, drop your leg. Now your right leg should be straight in a pigeon pose. Now your hips, knees, heels should be in the same line. Try to look at my leg and then drop your right hand on your right leg and left hand up. Look up, exhale. Come back, inhale. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine, spine straight. Now come back, drop your hand, put your left leg on your back side and then slowly left leg up in a downward facing dog pose. Inhale. Now drop your left leg on your left side, bend your left leg of your knees, raise your left hand up, right heel should be up, exhale. Come back, drop your both knees together, chin chest. Inhale, cobra pose, roll your shoulder back, apart your feet a bit. Exhale. Now bring your right leg forward and then left leg back. Now change your leg. We will do with another side. Drop your left hand, right hand up. Look at your hand, exhale. Drop your both hands down, spine straight, knees straight, exhale. Slowly apart your feet. Right leg should be 90 degree. Inhale, put your hands up, join your palm. Now exhale, go forward, drop your knees, And then slowly put your both hands up. Inhale. Drop your left hand on your left leg of your heel. Arch your back. Exhale. Now come back. Inhale. Put your hands up. Exhale. Go forward. Lengthen your spine. Hands straight. Feet. Now look at my leg position. The leg position should be remain 90 degree. Now grab your right leg of your ankle with your left hand. Right hand up. Exhale. Now drop your hips down. Bend your right leg. Left leg should be straight. Drop your left hand on your left leg. Right hand up. Exhale. Come back. Both hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Go forward. Lengthen your spine. Guys, please try to do this flow. It is really amazing. Drop your hand. Raise your leg up. Inhale. Now exhale. Drop your right leg on your right side. Right hand up. Look at your right hand. Spine straight. Now put your right leg back. Drop your knees. Chest, chin down. Inhale. Cobra pose. Roll your shoulder back. Look up. Now drop your knees, hips down in a child position, and then relax your body here. Exhale. Try to relax your body. Now drop your both hand on your side. Open your leg forward. Now a little bit shake your leg. Relax your leg muscles. Now bend your both knees. Interlock your hand. Now we will massage our spine. Roll your body. Go back. Come forward. Guys, please do this one. This is really amazing for your spine. After the practice of yoga asanas, you should do this exercise. It is really very good for your spine. Now lie down in Savasana. Both hands should be in a shoulder level. Bend your right leg off your knees. Grab your knees with your left hand. Now look at right side. Exhale. Now try to grab your left leg of your ankle and then stretch your leg and twist your body. Come back. Inhale. Grab your left leg. Look at on your left side. Exhale. Now grab your ankle. Twist your body. Now come back. Inhale, lie down in a Savasana. Apart your feet a bit. Your palm facing towards your ceiling. Lie down, relax your body. Now left hand straight. Bend your right leg. Turn your body on your left side. And then you have to slowly sit down in a comfortable position. Sit down according to your comfortable position, all of you.
So guys, today we completed our beginner yoga episode. Today I teach you the flow of beginner yoga. In 2 episodes I didn't teach you the flow, but this episode I teach you the flow yoga. I hope everyone will do at your home, and you can search my more videos in my channel, and you can practice more weight loss, or you want to do dance yoga, means rhythmic yoga, you can do that also, and you can do anything with my videos. I hope everyone enjoying to see my video. Please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. I hope everyone is well and fit. See you. Take care all of you. I will meet you in my next video next week. See all of you again. Bye bye. Thank you. Namaste. Sin chao.